Everyone, in this video I am going to discuss some memory based questions that were asked in the BARC 2025 exam, which was held on 8th March 2025 in the evening shift. So first question is quark content of proton was asked, so it is UUD, you all know. Second question was four coins were tossed simultaneously, so we are asked to find the probability of at least two tails. So in this case, possible number of outcomes for at least two tails will be 11. Total number of outcomes will be 16. So probability will be 11 by 16. So it was your correct answer. Then mediator of weak force was asked. So it is Z0. Then energy difference between J and J plus level by LS coupling was asked, so it is proportional to J plus 1, so this was the correct option. Next question is circumference of nth orbit in which electron is revolving. So 2 pi r is the circumference and it is proportional to n lambda, where lambda is wavelength. Then Laplace transform of x square was asked, so it is 2 by root 3 x cube. Then relation between a and r for FCC lattice, so it is a is equals to 2 root 2 r. Then next question is a particle is moving under the potential Vr is equal to kmr cube. So for what value of angular momentum orbit will be circular? So we can find it by using the concept of effective potential. So if the derivative of effective potential is 0, then from there we can solve it. The next question, if lambda used in the case of XRD is 1.54 angstrom with the Bragg angle of 30 degree, what will be the condition for theta if lambda used is increased to 1.79 angstrom? So option theta greater than 30 degree will be right one. Next, the effect of increase in temperature on intensity and 2 theta of the crystal for XRD. So its answer must be, so 2 theta, so first intensity will reduce and 2 theta will also reduce. So both will reduce. Then 12th question is a transition was given half negative to 3 by 2 negative, and it was asked for which electric dipole and magnetic dipole transition it will be possible. So it will be M1 and E2. The next question is for O16 and O17 spin and parity using shell model was asked. So it will be 0 plus and 5 by 2 plus. Then 14th question, L and Z was given where Z is partition function and it is kT cube. So dependence of specific heat on temperature was asked. So it will be T cube. I'm sorry, it will be T cube. T cube will be the correct answer. Then Fermi energy dependence on N was asked. So it will be n to the power 2 by 3 will be the correct option. Then question number 16, the ratio of most probable velocity and RMS velocity was asked. So it will be root 2 by root 3. Then 18th question, 4 fermions were given and 3 states were given of degeneracy 1. So we were asked to find the entropy for this system. So first we can find omega from here, which will be GiCni, and it will come out to be 4C3, that is equal to 4. So from there we can use S is equals to KLN omega, and this will be 2KLN2. You can find it easily. Then the relation between Helmholtz free energy in terms of mu and P and V. So it will be F is equals to mu n minus PV. Then in canonical ensemble, we know that NVT are constant. So the correct option was density and temperature remains constant. Now the dimension of waveform in 3D was wave function in 3D was asked. So it is L to the power minus 3 by 2. Then a question was asked that a particle moving in 1D box having wave function of form this and energy of 3 electron volt. So this is the wave function for n is equal to 3 state, and we were asked to find energy of ground state. So it will be 1 by 3 electron volt. This was the correct option. Now next question number 23. So particle moving in 1D box, the force exerted on the particle will be proportional to F is equals to L to the power minus 3 is the correct option. Now if the Fourier transform of function is defined by this formula, then what will be the Fourier transform of this function? So its solution was this. We can find it easily. So question number 25, which of the following is a correct postulate of special theory of relativity? So this option was correct, that laws of physics remain same in all inertial frames. Then Laplace transform of this function was asked, and its answer is this. Ratio of shortest wavelength of Lyman and Balmer series. So this was lambda b by lambda L is equal to 1 by 4. This was the correct option. So a reaction was given. This reaction was given, and energies of all the reactants and its products were given. Then we were asked to find the Q value of the reaction. So this was the correct answer. So length of a wire is stretched to n times. The resistance will be directly proportional to n square. Then a question was asked in which planes not allowed in NaCl. So the option having the mixed HKLs means HKL are mixed in the sense either means odd and even, both HKLs are there. So that option was correct. Coefficient of x to the power 13 in the expansion of 1 plus x to the power 16, its correct option was 560. So thank you. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please subscribe to our channel for further updates. Thank you.